Okay.
Okay.
And then this will be blocked off until Friday afternoon, and they can get back in.
You want to do that next week, Bart? Can you, or you need check?
Let me check. I need
You need
to
to
make
check.
sure.
And tell me what's going to happen when we get done with this. How is it going to flow?
The intention of the design, the way it's going to be, is that it'll, as flat as it is, it will not all get off right away. But with the concrete, with the concrete valley gutter, it's going to be a lot better situation we never create on the asphalt. But you won't have puddles of water like that after 24 hours.
Well,
Everything will be contained within the valley gutter, and it should all drain.
It should be.
It should be able to drain and to get out.
Well, but I guess what I'm saying is, let's say we come back here after 4 hours. Is that cement going to either be dry or show moisture, a continuous stream of moisture, so that there's no flat spots that are dry with even a small lake of trapped water?
There shouldn't be. No, the concrete flow line.
The concrete will be so flat, will be such a straight line down, that there will be, even as it dries to the final point where there's no more moisture, like right here, there will be a continuous stream of moisture from this end all the way to that end, and in the last 20 minutes it'll all dry up at the same time. So that, I mean, what I'm trying to say is, there might be one molecule of water still flowing all the way down through. There's not going to be dry spots and water. That's what I
get that.
What?
You'll get that.
There will be dry spots and water.
I'm not gonna say it's not going to be dried up. I'll never say it will be dried up. I have valley gutters all over this, the city, and I'll tell you right now, there will be dips in that concrete. Now the dips have to be in tolerance, but the
what is
water
the tolerance? What is the tolerance for the?
Quarter inch.
Not for
Concrete?
Not for concrete. It's about an 1/8 inch.
An 1/8 inch for every 10 feet?
It's something like that, yeah. I gotta look on my mag and I can tell you right out of the book.
Okay.
There is tolerance. You gotta have tolerance.
But it's only an 1/8 of an inch. Well, okay.
And something else we done.
Now I'm gonna tell you this for right now, and I'm gonna speak out because you guys need to get out of here. Yeah. You guys need to be happy. And the city's got us trapped in the middle. And we want to get out of here. Okay. They're required to fix this. So they're going over and beyond of what needs to be done here. I applaud you for it. It's their expense to get this water out of here.
We've got video where we were told none of this would ever happen too, Kelly.
Well, that's not what we're here to discuss now. We're here to make sure that you are happy from here on out. To make sure that this water is going to flow.
Right.
Okay.
But we were told that. But we were told that before, Kelly, and it didn't happen. I don't want it to be told again, and it won't happen.
Well, I'm going to tell you, from my experience, for doing it for so long, that the water will collect in the valley gutter. The valley gutter is going to help out a lot more than what the asphalt is doing here. Okay. I'm not going to say you're not going to have a little puddle of a 1/4 inch or an 1/8 inch, but it will flow.
Well,
it'll flow a lot better. Okay, it'll flow a lot better than what it was flowing before. You're not going to get the high spots and low spots. You're not going to get the wide puddling that you were getting, but you will get the water to flow. Okay? Like I was explaining to you yesterday. Because of the slope being so minimum between here and there, your water can flow in 3 hours instead of the 1 hour that we were requiring, because this is not per standard.
The standard was set.
So what they're trying to do is, okay, let's put a valley gutter in here. Let's get the water off the parking lot, get it on the valley gutter, and let's try to move it out of here the best we possibly can for what you have here in this parking lot. The slope that the existing slope that you have. So all they're trying to do is trying to move the water as the best of their ability. I'm not happy with the puddling. The puddling is not, it's not going to pass my standard. But if they can direct all the puddling into the valley gutter and have it move within the whatever period of time of lease, it's going to be gone. Hopefully it'll be gone. I don't want to sit and the next day see a puddle like that in your parking lot. You know, that's not going to happen. But I'm going to tell you, you're not going to get rid of everything because of the way the slope is in this
But it's going to meet your tolerance of 1/8 inch for whatever that flow
whatever
is.
the tolerance is. And like
I want to
said,
hear
we'll
that.
go look in
Will
the
you
book
show me
and I can
that?
show you
Okay.
what the tolerance
All right.
is.
Okay, so
And,
we'll
you know,
start.
we've, for example, we pick points up every 10 feet here. The industry standard and the city requirements are every 25 feet that you have your survey to where you do it when you do curb and gutter and stuff. So I mean, we're doing everything we can do to try to make it work. And I'm pretty confident we'll get the water out of here.
Okay.
And that's the best
and the other-
resolution that I have for the water to.
And the other,
There
the
is
other-
no other better way to do this.
with the concrete too, it's not permeable, so you won't have the water get through the concrete. If there's a little bit of water sitting on the concrete, it doesn't have the effect that it does water sitting on asphalt.
All right. Very good. So you're going to tell us then when we're going to start. Either going to be this
He's got to check with his people.
Sunday night, we'll block it off, or next Sunday night.
Yeah.
You'll let us know.
I will.
We'll
Okay,
let
Art.
you know. We'll let you know today so that you have plenty of time.
Okay.
Okay.
Notice
Good.
the people.
You girls agree with this, and you'll be out here with your, get those cement boots,
That's right.
those heavy ones. All right.